Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick tutorial review and swatch of the RealHer Vegan Lip Liner in the shade I Am Everything. They have 5 different shades, but I chose this shade, which is described as a burnt orange. In my opinion, it's another perfect fall orangey red shade, and here's a swatch of the color. I'm going to read about it a little bit. This is a newly formulated vegan lip liner which is richly pigmented and provides an ultra smooth application to enhance the natural shape of your lip. Ranging from deep nude and burnt orange to bright pink, these shades are as unique as you are. Pair them with your favorite lip gloss, lipstick, or fill in your entire lip for a soft matte finish. This will prevent your lip products, such as lipstick and gloss, from bleeding. So this does include a free sharpener if you do purchase one of their vegan lip liners. It's paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free. It's natural, it's vegan, and it's non-toxic. So I do want to mention they do have original lip liners as well, and I think those are on sale, but this retails for $12.50. And I have been noticing that this is such a unique formula, and it has that pigmentation. It does dry down to a matte, so that's perfect for a lip liner to kind of keep everything in place. And as you can see, the pigment is there, and I also want to say that it's very long lasting, so that's amazing as well. So that's my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could for your medium to tan olive skin like mine, or if your lips are dry or your skin is dry like mine. Hope it helped you out, and I will see you guys all next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or check out my other playlists for lip swatches and other reviews, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.